Hey guys, today, I'm having a sleepover with my friends. Let's go. But today's not an ordinary day. Tomorrow's a happy day. Guys, cause me and my friends are going to the trampoline park tomorrow. I don't know which one, but yeah. Um, yeah. Please get me to 50 subscribers. Please. Um, yeah, I'm new on YouTube. Yeah, please. Basically, this is my second video of YouTube. Please get me to 50 subscribers. That's my goal, so I can go live with you guys. Thank you. Please and thank you. Yeah. Have a good night, and yeah, have a good day.